Michael Lang.
Michael Lang.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, that's it, Michael Lang. I'm Lang and you're Michael Lang.
Yeah. It's true.
What?
Hey.
Ang bilis mo naman.
Bilis naman ito.
Thank you, Michael. Tulak-tulak mo na si Michael.
Thank you, Michael.
Thank you, Michael. Eto, bata pa to eh.
Daming
suga! Hindi pa po. Daiminsu. Daiminsu. Hindi siya nito.
Wasili.
Wasili.
Washing me.
Hindi, bata pa to ito. Mabisa namin. Medyo pa. Medyo. Sige, kiss kay ate. Kiss ate.
Yeah.
Thank you. Ayan.
Uy, ang pinakabata.
Ay, susok bata. Just wait,
Stay.
May gwapo kayo eh. Minsan nga lang tong.
Pero bumati.
Ano to?
Sa mga binabati ko yung mga nakakilala sa akin.
Ay,
Bakit? Parang wala naman.
Sa yung mga taga-intercon.
ano to?
Wala naman.
What's your name again?
Richie.
Di ba? Me! Richie, thank you so much, ha?
Bakit sila may kiss?
Ako pinahal nga, di pa ako tapos eh.
Kuya Ray.
Thank you, washing.
Thank you, washing me. Washing me.
Ito naman si, washing machine. What's your name? Ha? Kevin! Kevin Coster.
Oscar naman to.
Costner pala yun. Ilang taong ka na ba? 17.
17.
Yeah, tama, I'm 18. Forgotten. 17 pa lang to. Dito kayo po sa mabangod.
Kiss. No. You kiss Kuya Ray. Kuya Ray.
Thank you so much.
You got covered?
Kevin, thank you. And
Star dancer.
Yeah.
Star dancer.
You're a dancer?
Ate.
You're a dancer? You're trying? Try. Again. Sabi niya, try to daw. Hindi, ang galing. You're back? Why? You buy one back? You're back? What
Tiguan na.
Hindi, bata pa na. Ilang taong ka na doon?
29.
29? Oh my God!
Oh, that's ano?
I'm Eton!
Again? Edson po, Edson.
Yeah, I'm Eton! You know, this is my debut! Today is my birthday, you know?
Debut.
You don't know? Now you know! Thank you! And thank you, no! What's your name?
Greg.
Greg! Oh my God!
Your ex, Greg. My God. Ex.
Oh, Greg! So, grabe, ang galing niya. Good answer.
Yeah, Greg.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yung kiss. Yeah. Me? Oh my God, Greg. Kahit gwapo nga walang magusto mo, hindi kasi mo doon. Thank you so much. Thank you, Greg. I love you. Balong agad, balong tapos. Bako. Pakimikinig ka pa. I love you, Greg. Umaya.
Galing ng Greg. Sino yun, Greg? Sanay ka sa Greg eh.
Greg, I love you. Umaya. Lalaki rin to, babae ang gusto.